Hey, hello everybody. Hello. There's my address. There's all the stuff you don't need to see. Anyhow, I just took this out of the bag and I'm ready to show it to you. It's from DIYCHOOSE. Are you ready to see what I have? You ready? You ready? One thing in here I did not order. So I always seem to get mixed up with these things that have multiple items under one listing. Like they'll have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different ones. And if you're not very specific, you end up with the wrong thing. So let me just show you the one that was wrong to start with. This will just go in my giveaway pile. We'll start there. So I ordered a notebook, and this was not the one I wanted. Okay, so this is just some lady in an oyster shell. I think she's in an oyster shell, a clamshell. I don't know. Anyhow, a clamshell. Clamshell? Yeah. It's not the one I ordered. It will go into my giveaway pile, so somebody will get it at some point. They had a cute little snowman, and I know that's the one I wanted, but I got that one instead. I hate when that happens. So anyhow, here's our drills. They're just pinks. There's a little bit of white AB there. Okay, I'll show you. I don't know. I'm just not excited by it, so I'm like not wanting to show you, I guess. Be fair, be fair, be fair. I'm in the process of doing some bulk filming. My husband is out doing some things. I'm going to see how many videos I can record here. So there's the white pearls, red rhinestones, pink rhinestones, really pretty pink rhinestones, green, black, goldish brown. We have these red teardrops, which are pearl, some blue faceted, and some white pearls. I mean, it will be pretty. I mean, I'll give it that. It's just not what I was into, not what I was hoping for. Anyhow, does it have lines? Nope, it's just a sketchbook. Some of these have lines and some don't. So this one is called a sketchbook. So it's just this girl in this shell. Anyhow, okay, first item. There we go. All right, next item. I had my grandkids in mind when I looked at this, when I saw this. All right, what do we get? A piece of foam. No, the foam is just holding this. It's actually a very nice headband. So I have gotten headbands before and they were just plastic headbands. This one's actually covered. So this one's soft with fabric on it. I like that. And it attaches like this, you know, it'll go on here. You probably slide it on. Here we go. Sliding it up there is probably the best. Yeah, as I play with it and play with it and play with it. Anyhow, it'll go up to the top. And it says Merry Christmas on it. Just a simple little, oh, this is real flexible. Really flexible. This is super light. That would be kind of fun. Quick, easy little project to do. Kids will love it, right? They will love it. I like how that attaches. So in here we just have red, green, and gold. That's it. Oh, and some clear. Sorry. Red, green, gold, and clear. That's all there is to it, folks. But look, we got some fancy tweezers with this one. Love it. So that's cute. I do like the headband. The headband's very nice. All right. So that's what we got there. That's what we got there. Okay. Put that one aside. What else did we get? I got different fun things in this one. This I thought was interesting. They had different varieties of this. I hope I got the right one, right? I've started putting in a serial number when I do my orders because this has happened more than once. So I'm giving them all the serial number as well. So look at this. Right? So it's just like a wristlet thing. It wouldn't fit my wrist. It's really made for kids, or you attach it to something else. There's just a little keychain thing with a little bell on it. Where's the diamond painting part? We had a tray. This is what we diamond paint right here. Look at Stitch, right? Super cute. How does Stitch attach though? How does he attach to this? I don't know. How's he hook on here? Does he just slide on here? I don't know. I think he's just going to slide on this keychain and dangle here with the bell, right? So he'll slide on underneath here. Okay, so he's cute. So there's Stitch. He's got his tongue sticking out. He's cute, right? And here's our drills. Those are purple and blue and blue and purple and red and clear. Cute. Super cute. So like I said, I try to find fun things, new things. Oh, he's double-sided. Didn't tell you that. Which, that's cool. He's double-sided, right? Yeah, I can whip that up in like, a few minutes. Yeah, cute. Love that. That one and that one. Love those. Okay, here's another fun thing. If I can get it open for you. This one has the crease right at the top, making it difficult. Sorry. It's right up here at the very top, and then it's got a sticker on it, and it's not wanting to let go. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? This is all blingy and dazzly. So look what we have. First of all, we have snowflakes. I love them. Double-sided? Yes. And look, there's holes at the top, and there's holes at the bottom. Is this 2? I think this is 2. It is. Look at that. It was 2 stuck together. But they got a hole at the top and at the bottom. So something's going to hold it, and something's going to hang off the bottom. There's only 1 hole at the bottom. There's only 2 holes if you have 2 together. And there's that one. So there's that. Okay. Now, what goes on this? What happens here? What happens? Let's see. Okay, so here is our clasp. You got to put these together, our clasp and our chain. That's what they hang by, all right, like a keychain. And then we have this stuff here. There's a lot of little jump rings. Be careful, don't lose your jump rings. So we have these beads. Those are really pretty. Those are nicer than most beads that have come with such items. And then you have your beautiful prism. So you'll attach your beautiful prism, and it will hang from the bottom like this. And you got a nice, long, dangly, an ornament. I mean, I would certainly use them as an ornament. You could turn it into the keychain if you want. You got your keychains there. But there's enough of those beads and the prisms in here for everything. Like I said, a bunch of jump rings to hook things to. So there's all of our little goodies in there. These are so pretty. I like these a lot. These are gorgeous. All right, let's put these back in here. Don't want to lose any of my good stuff here, right? All right, that's all in there. And now what drills go on it? There's snowflakes. What's going to go on this? Well, surprise, surprise. 2 big bags of clear rhinestones. Some larger rhinestones. Some medium rhinestones. Some teardrops. Yeah, those are teardrops. For a minute, I thought they were marquee, but those are teardrops. Those are marquee. And some bigger rhinestones. So it's all just clear, iridescent, rhinestoney stuff. Good stuff, right? Love it. Love, love, love it. So pretty. All right. So those will be fun to do. Double-sided. Put all those pretty beads dangling off the bottom. Okay. I told you I had fun stuff. Fun stuff. And then I couldn't say no to another special drill gnome. I couldn't. Couldn't say no. I hope I don't have him. Did I just unbox this one? I don't know. Happy fall. 2 little gnome guys sitting on their pumpkins, and they're all special drills. 12 different drills. Different shapes, sizes, and colors. I love them. Fall leaves, pumpkins. He's got sunflowers. I love it. Love it. Look, they got a turkey. Huh? It's a Turkey Day one. They got a turkey. There aren't a whole lot of Thanksgiving things out there. That he's Thanksgiving. I'm just saying. They're cute. All right. Let's look at our drills for this one and see what we have. All righty. Here we go. Let's see. So let's start with the clear and some brown, blue, orange, yellowy gold, goldish yellow, another orange, and kind of peach there, red. Then we have some round red faceted. Oh, we have these. I haven't had these in a while. They are, what are they? Clear on the bottom and they're gold on the tops. Those are fun. Some green marquee and some red marquee. Cute. Cute. So I don't think this is the same one because I have not gotten those gold and silver ones, or those gold and crystal. I haven't gotten those in a while. So the one I got the other day has to be different. Anyhow, Aren't they cute? What is your favorite project? What would you do first? I don't know. He would be fun to do right now for Thanksgiving. I have some Christmas ones I want to do. These will be fun. I could get these whipped up, take to the craft sale. Oh my gosh, the craft sale's coming too fast though. This would be super fast, although I should save that for a grandkid. This will be for my daughter or daughter-in-law. One of them is the Stitch thing. I don't know who. Anyhow, that's what I got. Let me know what you think and what would you like to work on. All right. Thank you to, who did I say that was? DIYCHOOSE, right? DIYCHOOSE for sending stuff over for me to show everybody. And every time I find something that's unique, like these were different, those were different, these were different, I'll get the unique items every time. All right. Thanks so much for watching. I'll link everything below if you guys are interested, so you can go pick some up for yourself. I will talk to you soon, everybody. Bye.